this video, we will show you an English pronunciation practice that will help you improve your language fluency if you do it daily. Remember to have a notebook and pencil handy to take notes.
Hello guys. How are you? Welcome to this intermediate level English pronunciation practice. The objective is to improve pronunciation for better language mastery. Let's begin.
Nasal sounds. Guided practice for intermediate B1 level English pronunciation students. Explanation. Nasal sounds are a type of consonant sound in English where the airflow passes through the nose due to the lowering of the velum, the soft part of the roof of the mouth. In English, there are three main nasal sounds, m, n, and ing. These sounds are common and essential for clear pronunciation and understanding. Examples. M. Man. Summer. Home. N. Nose. Sun. 10. Ing. Sing. Long. Think. Let's start with the first activity. Instruction. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Fill in the blanks. N. Pennies. Sun. Bunny. Bench. Piano. The cat chased in the garden. I need to buy some new for my shoes. She sat on the and read her book. The is shining brightly in the sky today. He is learning how to play the. Fill in the blanks. M. Mom. Matt. Jim. Mask. Melon. The cat sat on the. I bought a book. We like to eat for breakfast. The is full of colorful fish. I put on my before going to bed. Fill in the blanks. Ing. Hanging. Ringing. Singing. Sing. Swimming. She loves to in the choir. The cat is on the roof. He enjoys at the beach. They're a song together. The bell is in the tower. Answers for Activity 1. Fill in the blanks. N. The cat chased a bunny in the garden. I need to buy some new pennies for my shoes. She sat on the bench and read her book. The sun is shining brightly in the sky today. He is learning how to play the piano. Fill in the blanks. M. The cat sat on the mat. My mom bought a book. We like to eat melon for breakfast. The gym is full of colorful fish. I put on my mask before going to bed. Fill in the blanks. Ing. She loves to sing in the choir. The cat is hanging on the roof. He enjoys swimming at the beach. They're singing a song together. The bell is ringing in the tower.
Thank you for being part of our practice. We hope it has been of great help to you. Until next time, bye-bye.